Welcome back. In part 1, we explored the origins of the Magical Cashbook, who Nitika is, and how the basic ritual works to attract financial opportunities. Today, we're going deeper. Because once people start using the Cashbook, a bigger question appears. Why does this system feel so powerful? Is it belief? Is it intention? Is it psychology? Or is something else happening beneath the surface? In this episode, we'll break down the hidden mechanics behind the Magical Cashbook, the mindset, the symbols, the strange words, and the psychological principles that make this practice feel real and effective for so many people. Let's begin. The Magical Cashbook is not about becoming instantly rich. It's not about winning the lottery or chasing unrealistic fantasies. Instead, it works through small shifts and natural opportunities. Unexpected refunds, discounts, extra income, new work, helpful coincidences. These small wins build confidence. And that confidence slowly changes your mindset. You move from, maybe one miracle will save me. Money can flow to me naturally. That emotional shift is one of the most important parts of the entire system. At the center of the Cashbook is Nitika, a gentle and supportive spirit of wealth. In older traditions, a herd genius spirit simply meant a guiding force connected to a specific area of life. In this case, prosperity and comfort. Practitioners describe Nitika as calm, kind, and easy to work with. Not frightening, not chaotic. Many people don't see Nitika as a demon at all, but as a spiritual current linked to abundance. The Cashbook keeps things simple. No complicated rituals, no expensive tools, just intention, repetition, and emotional clarity. Painting a notebook silver and orange may seem simple, but it serves a deeper purpose. When you create the book yourself, you invest emotionally in the process. You're not just thinking about money. You're building a symbol of your intention. The steps are straightforward. A silver or gray front cover, an orange back cover, Nitika's sigil on the front. The sigil becomes a focus point, a symbol that helps your mind lock onto your goal. And remember, you don't need artistic skill. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need flawless performance. What matters is relaxed confidence. The book becomes powerful because of the meaning you give it. Once the book is ready, the daily ritual begins. And here's the real challenge. You must want money without becoming desperate for it. In manifestation traditions, this is called lust for result, the constant worrying and checking that blocks progress. So, instead, the Cashbook teaches you to act as if the result is already on its way. Like an actor stepping into a role. You don't need absolute belief. You just need emotional conviction during the ritual. You speak the words of power slowly. You focus on the sigil. You write the amount you want. And for a moment, you feel the emotion of already receiving it. Relief, comfort, excitement, freedom. Then you close the book and let it go. That final step shifts your mind from desperation to expectation. One of the most mysterious parts of the Cashbook is the unusual words of power. Words like Nar Yordhe Vahe. Why use strange words at all? Because unfamiliar sounds break your normal thinking patterns. They pull your attention into the present moment. Some believe these sounds connect to ancient spiritual frequencies. Others see them as a form of vocal meditation. The important part is the vibration. You speak the words slowly, from the chest, so the sound resonates through your body. This changes your breathing, your focus, your emotional state, and your awareness. And whether you see it spiritually or psychologically, the effect can feel surprisingly powerful. The Magical Cashbook sits in a unique space between spirituality and psychology. Some people believe they're working with real spiritual beings. Others believe they're reprogramming their subconscious mind. But both groups often report the same thing. Their relationship with money changes. They become more aware, more intentional, more confident, more open to opportunities. Some experience coincidences. Some see gradual improvement. Some see nothing at all. And that mystery is part of the appeal. The Cashbook sits right at the edge between the mystical and the psychological. Maybe it's spiritual. Maybe it's subconscious. Maybe it's both. The Magical Cashbook isn't about becoming instantly wealthy. It's about changing your emotional relationship with abundance. Instead of fear, you practice expectation. Instead of desperation, you practice intention. Instead of feeling powerless, you take part in your financial mindset. Whether you see Nitika as a real spirit, a symbol, or a psychological tool, the ritual creates a daily moment of clarity around prosperity. And sometimes, that alone can shift how opportunities appear in your life. Maybe the real magic isn't the notebook. Maybe the real magic is what happens when emotion, symbolism, repetition, and belief all move in the same direction. Thank you for joining me for part 2. Stay curious, stay grounded, and may Nitika bless you with abundance.